Neil, we've spoke about this machine before that we've got behind us. This is the DMU 60 Evo Linear. The first thing I want to ask you, it's on display again here at MAC 2018, drawing the crowds, very popular. I want to learn in detail about the linear motor drives. Why would you opt for a machine with them?
Well, firstly, we offer it with ball screw or linear motor. And most people think it's all about speed, which it is, because it goes up from 60 metres to 80 metres in rapid and feed rate. But also, you get a better degree of accuracy with linear motors. And also, it's fairly obvious, but you don't have to replace ball screws, so there's less moving parts.
But the linear motors, which axes are they on?
On this machine, they're on the X-axis and the Y-axis. The Z-axis, we still use ball screw.
And is it a reliable method of movement compared to a ball screw? Because you look at a ball screw, it's a mechanical drive, bit of hardware that you can look at and you can see how it works. But with linear drives, it looks a lot different.
I would say it's probably more reliable because there's less moving parts that make up the machine. So it's a bit more expensive, it uses a bit more power, but overall it's more reliable and more accurate. And we've also been fitting it now for, I would say, over 10 years.
And what about acceleration? How fast is this machine?
Well, with linear drives we're looking at 2G and over. So, and also linear drive technology is still progressing. But so we've been fitting it for over 10 years, reliably, and I can't remember the last time we actually fitted a new linear drive, so they're reliable and
Speaks
accurate.
for itself.
It does.
The machine itself, full 5-axis machine tool here, but you've also got this pallet pull system integrated into it. Tell me about that.
Yeah, we've got on there, we've got the PH150, so we prep the machine, so we have to have an automatic door on the side. We have to have all the services put on the table for the clamping of the pallets. But if we go on to PH150, what we can do with that, we can put 10 pallets on the machine as standard. And we can pick up 150 kilos per part, which, it's a large part. But then we can, if you want a heavier, you can go up to 250 kilo. But then we have to reduce the amount of pallets to make them bigger. So we go 6 at 250 kilo, we go 150 kilos with 10 pallets, but we can actually go up to 24 pallets with the PH150.
It's a hell of a lot of weight to be manoeuvring in and out of the machine, isn't it?
It is, but it'll do it lights out, and that's the whole idea of doing it. And we've sold quite a few of these now, and they just run. They're very reliable. But one thing you've got to think of as well is you need to make sure that the machine's equipped for a pallet changer. Yeah. There's no point in having a machine with a pallet changer and 30 tools. So this particular machine, we've got 120 tools on there.
And if I did buy the machine, do I have to buy it with that preparation on beforehand, and then I can add the pallet changer at a later date, or can you get it prepped on site?
We'd prefer it if you bought the machine with all the preparation, but we can fit it on site as well, and we've done it. But it's a lot better to do it at the factory when the machine's being built.
Of course, and like you say, you need to make sure the machine's got adequate tooling in it to be able to get the unmanned run, which is really what you're after, isn't it?
Of course, yeah, it's the whole idea. So you can put 10 parts, 24 parts, as long as your tools last, but you use sister tool, and especially with 120 tools, that's fine. And then you can press the button and you can leave it, and then you can come back when everything's finished. So you can let it run at the weekend, you can let it run at night. It's just automation is the way forward.
And it's a total DMG MORI product as well, isn't it? Which is, what we're looking at here, which is always a good thing.
Yes, it is. Yeah, we haven't got any other suppliers, so it's all ours. So you buy the whole package from us, and we'll deal with it all. We'll fit it, we'll service it, we'll train it, we'll do the whole thing.
And you've sold this one, I believe, at the show this week at MAC 2018.
Yeah, like a lot of our machines here are sold, but this one, yeah, this machine's been sold as well. Yeah.